Is investing in the IndiaFirst Life immediate annuity plan the reliable retirement partner you have been searching for, or is it just another overhyped promised product? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-participating, non-linked savings general annuity plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you will receive a guaranteed regular income like monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly throughout your retirement years, and the joint life option ensures continued annuity payments to your spouse, offering financial security even in your absence. And with the return of purchase price option, your nominees will receive back the invested amount, protecting your capital. And this plan also offers annuity certain for a period and life thereafter option, where annuity is paid for a fixed term and continues for life if the annuitant survives that period. So this plan is available to all existing customers, including individual and group deferred annuity policyholders, members or beneficiaries between the ages of 0 to 99 years. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and the benefits and will differ based on the annuity options in this policy. So if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now let's take a look at the advantages. So if you make a one-time premium payment, you get to enjoy a lifetime of hassle-free annuity income, and you get to choose from a range of annuity options tailored to your needs, such as the joint life option, return of purchase price, or annuity for a fixed period. These are some of the advantages of the policy. However, the disadvantages are: your annuity payouts are fully taxable, reducing your effective returns, and this plan does not offer a step-up option, making it difficult to keep pace with inflation over time. And this policy cannot be surrendered except under the life annuity with return of purchase price option. So these are some drawbacks that you need to consider before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to analyze the IRR of this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So to calculate the internal rate of return, let us assume that a 70-year-old male invests 10 lakhs in this policy in the option life annuity with return of purchase price option. So the annual annuity received is 41,610 rupees, and the purchase price is returned on the death of the policyholder. So assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the IRR for this cash flow works out to be just 3.95% as per the policy's maturity calculate. So while the annuity ensures a fixed income for life, this return is lower than what traditional debt instruments offer, and moreover the annual annuity amount remains constant with no inflation adjustment. Initially the income may seem adequate, but over time its purchasing power diminishes. The inability to access your corpus restricts financial flexibility. In summary, the combination of modest returns, no inflation protection, and locked-in capital makes this policy a less attractive one for long-term retirement security. So now, as we have a basic idea that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us now move on to a comparative analysis part of the video. So here we are going to compare this policy returns with other investments or strategies. So here, first let us compare it with fixed income instruments. So if you could take an example of senior citizen savings scheme like SCSS, the interest rate is 8.20% as of now, which is one of the government-backed quarterly interest payout option. So it is ideal for retirees seeking safety and regular income. Another option is bank fixed deposits, basically FDs. So it gives you an interest rate of 7 to 8% per annum with an additional 0.25% for senior citizens. So it has flexible tenures and regular or cumulative interest payout options as well. And if you take the option of RBI floating rate bonds, here the current interest rate is 8.05% per annum, which resets every 6 months, and it has a tenure of 7 years. So you have premature withdrawal allowed for senior citizens with penalty. So these are fixed income securities with locked in returns, generally higher than annuity rates. However, when they offer regular income, they don't adjust for inflation, and that's where equity comes in. So to ensure your income grows with inflation, combining equity and debt is more effective than relying solely on annuities. So for example, the same 10 lakhs we invested in India First policy, we can allocate it like 60% of it, like 6 lakhs in equity for long term growth and 40%, which is the 4 lakhs, in debt for regular income. So expected returns of equity is 12% per annum, whereas debt is 6% per annum. And if you assume a similar annuity as the India First policy where we withdraw 41,610 rupees annually, we can also increase the withdrawal amount by 5% every 5 years to account for the inflation. So every 5 years we will replenish the debt portion by redeeming gains from equity. At age 85, your corpus would have grown to 20 lakhs, double the initial 10 lakhs invested. So advantages of this strategy is that inflation adjusted withdrawals protects your lifestyle, and you get to access your corpus anytime for emergencies or reinvestment, and your full corpus can be passed to nominees unlike rigid annuity contracts. So for retirees seeking better returns, inflation adjusted income and financial flexibility, a balanced diversified portfolio with a rebalancing strategy approach like this with equity and debt outperforms the India First policy. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the India First Life immediate annuity plan worth it or not? So, purchasing this policy with a single premium ensures that annuity payments begin right away and continue for life. This guaranteed income feature is often used as a promotional hook to attract retirees. However, many overlook the real rate of return and the long term implications of such a commitment. A closer analysis reveals that the plan offers a fixed income with no adjustment for inflation, a major drawback for anyone relying on it for long term retirement needs, and it also has a high agent commission. Moreover, the capital is locked, leaving no room for flexibility in case of emergencies or rising expenses. These limitations makes the plan less suitable as a comprehensive retirement solution. So, what would be a smarter alternative? To blend equity for growth with depth for stability. So, to overcome the shortcomings of traditional annuity plans, retirees should consider incorporating equity into their portfolios. A well balanced investment strategy ensures inflation adjusted withdrawal, higher long term return, and flexibility to access funds when needed. So, as discussed earlier, a diversified approach combining equity and fixed income investments can help your retirement corpus outlast your lifetime while also supporting a comfortable lifestyle. So there is no one size fits all annuity or pension product that works for everyone.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.